Perkiomen Creek yesterday, October 25th, and I took some video and I'm going to try to put it together and see what it looks like. I'll call it the pilot episode of A Day in the Life. It was a good day. I caught some fish. It was cold, fall day. It was neat though. I had the creek to myself. I had to figure out the pattern, and it was a fun day. The new today, I'm videotaping my kayak fishing trip on the Perkiomen Creek. I am at Foy Park, right near Spring Mount. The water is clear and low. We had a big Hurricane Ida come through a few weeks ago, and it just ripped up the shoreline. What we're seeing there is all the rocks that used to be on the bottom of the creek. This was all 5 feet underwater or so. So it's October 24th. I'm sure I'll catch something. There are bluegills and rock bass and sunfish and green sunfish here, as well as smallmouth bass. I caught my biggest smallmouth ever here. It was 20 inches up in some rapids. So looking forward to getting out on this cool fall day. It's about 58 degrees. Nice bluegill. Pretty fish for a nice day. So I paddled upstream through 2 sets of rapids. Pretty slow fishing. I caught a couple sunfish and bluegills. Saw some bass, but I just spooked them on my way up. Nice and peaceful though. I'll head up this slow stretch, see if I can find anything hungry, and then I'll head back down. Glad I brought my coffee and my pie. But the temperature is high 50s probably. Cold front came through, and it's fall. So I'm trying to figure out the pattern. But until then, I'll just enjoy the day. Finally, I got a bass, a largemouth. Good day. Floating back down. Beautiful day. Chased some Canadian geese away. Saw some herons. It's a pretty cool cliff there. The smallie. Got a bunch of bluegills, I got a largemouth, and I got this smallie right by the Perkiomen Creek. It's a good day. I think I'm late to watch football. Go Eagles. Finished the day. Nice 15-inch smallie right down by the dam. Beautiful day. Good job, Michael Scott. Gonna call it a day from the Perkiomen, Foy Park, Spring Mount. Like I said, I had to figure out the pattern. The bluegills, they were even tough to catch. I threw on some trout magnets and caught a bunch of bluegills on the trout magnets, caught one green sunfish. The smallmouth I caught on that little Strike King Fire Tiger pattern crankbait, and I ended up putting on a Ned rig. Got a few hits on there and caught some fish on the Ned rig. So that's something I'm trying to figure out how to fish with. And the fish were down deep or close to cover. So that was the pattern. But what a good day. Great day in the fall. Beautiful to be out there. Hopefully I'll do another video. Take care.